It's all very well eating healthy foods, but have you ever considered the oils you are using to cook that food with? Or how effective the oils you take as a supplement are? Hi, my name's Jeff Laming from the Omega-3 Zone channel, and in this video I share with you some of the most used oils for cooking and as supplements that help provide the omega-3 benefits, as well as improving your omega-6 to omega-3 balance. Enjoy! Before you learn of 7 of these oils, would you like to get an ongoing collection of news, reports, resources and courses on various health and wellness issues linked or connected with omega-3? It's so easy to access. Just take a quick moment to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll never miss out on future videos uploaded to this channel again. Plus, watch this video to the very end to get access to a free PDF download entitled Sugar Addiction: Shocking Findings of a Processed Poison. Okay, so now on to the subjects of omega-3 foods and the omega-3 based oils used for cooking your food and the oils used as supplements. Number 5. Oils. And the first one of these is 1. Perilla Oil. This oil is derived from perilla seeds and is a good source of omega-3 fatty acids. It's found and used as a condiment and cooking oil in Korean dishes. To get the most benefit, it's recommended to use perilla oil as a dressing rather than a cooking oil, as the polyunsaturated fats oxidize with the heat. Alternatively, you can take perilla oil in capsule form to help increase your omega-3 intake. 2. Algal oil. Algal oil, an oil derived from algae, is high in EPA, eicosapentaenoic acid, and DHA, docosahexaenoic acid. Some studies have even found that it's comparable to seafood in regard to its nutritional availability of EPA and DHA. It's normally available in a soft gel form and found in many pharmacies. As far as meals go, the liquid form can be added to drinks, including smoothies. 3. Soybean oil. Soybeans are popular legumes from Asia, and the soybean oil is used for cooking. In addition, the oil contains riboflavin, magnesium and vitamin K. Soybean oil can be used as a cooking oil and on salad dressings. 4. Flaxseed oil. Used as an omega-3 supplement, the oil is derived by grounding and milling the flax seeds. 5. Cod liver oil. Again, this is used as a supplement. It can be high in omega-3 fatty acids together with vitamins D and A. 6. Fish oil. This is obtained from the tissues of oily fish such as salmon and mackerel and is used, therefore, as a supplement only. 7. Canola oil. This is an oilseed developed in Canada as an alternative plant to using rapeseed to produce a vegetable oil. Its name comes from Canada and ola, meaning oil. It is, in effect, a genetically modified oil. A word about cooking oils. Virtually all cooking oils contain both the polyunsaturated omega-6 and omega-3 fatty acids, and so they are competing for the same enzymes stored in the cells of your body and vital organs, so it's extremely important to keep your omega-6 and omega-3 ratio in balance. However, not all cooking oils are created equal. If they have too much omega-6, then they have an inflammatory effect on your cells, leading to various diseases and negative conditions, some of which can lead to becoming chronic if your cells continue to be starved of omega-3. The omega-3s, on the other hand, have anti-inflammatory benefits, hence why it's so important to maintain a healthy balance between the two. Having more pro-inflammatory chemicals than you actually need for a prolonged period of time can lead to inflammation, which in turn can develop into any number of chronic diseases such as diabetes, arthritis, stroke, dementia and some cancers. The modern diet, especially in the Western world, is very much skewed to be deficient in omega-3 fatty acids at the expense of overly excessive omega-6 fats. partly caused by the prevalent use of vegetable oils and combined with the processed and ultra-processed food culture and a lifestyle lacking in keeping fit, there is now a global epidemic of chronic diseases. Today, the life expectancy of a North American is falling, with the UK and Germany about to follow suit. To put this into perspective, the measurement of the omega-6 to omega-3 balance or ratio should be between 3:1 and 1:1. Currently, most people have a ratio from 5:1 up to 20:1 and beyond, and that includes people who regard themselves as fit and who use omega-3 supplements on a regular basis. Here's a sobering thought that you might want to ponder on for a few minutes, especially if you regard yourself as being fit. Being fit is not the same as being healthy. So, when it comes to cooking yourself some delicious omega-3 content dishes, ensure your cooking oil is oil with a low omega-6 to omega-3 ratio so as to cut down on your omega-6 intake. Check out a fascinating article which includes a table listing all the qualities of numerous vegetable oils and their omega-6 to omega-3 ratios in The Conscious Life. The URL link is shown below this video. So that rounds off our content on omega-3 based oils. Kindly note, the content of this video does not constitute medical advice in any shape or form and has been created for passive informational purposes only. If you like the content in this video and maintaining or improving your health and fitness is a priority in your life, please feel free to share this video with like-minded people. By subscribing to the Omega-3 Zone channel, please click the subscribe button at the bottom of this video, and then by clicking the bell icon, this will ensure that you get notified of future videos being uploaded, such as part 7 of this series, which will cover the 6th category of omega-3 rich foods that are a vital ingredient for any meal and your health. We hope you've enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Until next time, bye for now.